cruddy niggas. The super producer, KG is in the motherfucking house. And on the microphone, the naughty boy number 2, Fed Brock is in the place. And finally, the king of the panty raid, Punani Don Church, breaking up the set. Now, come straight from 118th Street, Ill-Town East Orange. Naughty by Nature introduces the year we take no shorts. Anybody caught dissing, we're taking it straight to your motherfucking face. And we ain't bullshit.